In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile photo in HoneyBook, Account Profile 2026. Keeping your profile picture current helps clients recognize you and adds a professional touch to everything you send through HoneyBook. I'll walk you through the exact places to click and share a few quick tips so you can update it with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and go to honeybook.com. This works the same on Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. If you're not already signed in, you'll see the login page. Enter your account credentials, and if HoneyBook prompts you for any security verification, just follow those on-screen steps to confirm your identity. It's quick and it keeps your account secure. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base. Think of it as the command center for your projects, clients, and tools. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a vertical sidebar. That's your main navigation. You'll use this panel anytime you need to move between different areas of your account. In that left sidebar, look for Settings. It may appear as a gear icon with the word Settings next to it. Click it to open your account and workspace controls. Inside Settings, make sure you're viewing the My Account section. This is where information specific to you, the user, lives. From there, click Account Info. That's the page where your personal details, including your profile image, are managed. On the Account Info page, you'll see your current profile photo. Click the option labeled Change Photo. Choose Upload Files and then select the image you want from your computer. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit headshot with your face centered. A square image typically looks best, and common formats like JPG or PNG work well. If HoneyBook offers a crop or adjust tool, use it to frame your face cleanly so it displays nicely across proposals, emails, and your client portal. After you upload, give it a moment to process. Your new profile photo should appear right away on the page. If it doesn't update immediately, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. If your file is very large, consider compressing it and trying again to keep loading snappy across devices. That's all there is to it. You went to honeybook.com, signed in, navigated through the left sidebar to Settings, confirmed you were in My Account, opened Account Info, and used Change Photo to upload your new image. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed, professional look in HoneyBook.